Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rachel with vicrez.com, and in front of me here we have an assembled front to back carbon fiber upgrade for our BMW M4 owners and drivers out there, offering an edgy overhaul to those looking to turn some heads. Starting off with a carbon fiber engine cover and kidney grills to match, there's also an iconic front lip splitter, a rear wing spoiler, and an LED rear diffuser, all in carbon fiber as well. This aggressive 5-piece assembly is fully compatible with 2014 to 2019 BMW M4 F82 coupes, and only semi-compatible with BMW's M4 F83 cabriolets, with everything a go on fitment with the exception of our rear wing spoiler right here. But starting off under the hood, we do have VZ101125. This is a fully carbon fiber engine cover for your M4 coupes. This elegant engine cover boasts an easy installation. Just snap into place and you're good to go. No cutting, clipping, or drilling required. Not to mention, our carbon fiber products are extremely lightweight and even more so durable. You won't have to worry about distortion or clear coat yellowing at all. And the same is true for our carbon fiber kidney grills, VZ100381. This set of two offers an OEM snap and go fit that will surely put a smile on your face. Simple and subtle, these carbon fiber kidney grills look great when combined with other carbon fiber accents. They look just as good on their own too. These grills are truly more versatile than you would think, add an edge to your daily driver, or finish off a look that's been a long time in the making. Combined with VZ101054, our V4R styled carbon fiber front lip splitter. This one-piece splitter is not just complementary overall, but also tastefully matched to the dynamic appearance of your 2014 to 2019 BMW M4 vehicles. And with VZ101023, they'll hate to watch you go, but love to watch you leave. Our Vicrez LVZ carbon fiber rear diffuser is in a class of style all on its own. This fully carbon fiber diffuser is everything you could ever want on the back end of your Beamer. It's unique, it's flashy, aggressive in design, and best of all, it's one of a kind. This diffuser has a third additional LED brake light located in the center, taking its place mid-exhaust. And with the wiring harness already in place, this does ship out of our facility nearly ready to install. However, please be advised that carbon fiber requires specialized skills to properly install, and Vicrez recommends professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop first and foremost, especially before suggesting or recommending any DIY or self-installation. Most importantly, we ask that you test fit all new carbon fiber products before any attempt in any sort of permanent installation. Now, this is where our F83 owners and drivers are unfortunately excluded, as the Vicrez GTS carbon fiber rear wing spoiler will only fit your 2014 to 2019 BMW M4 F82 coupes. VZ100775 is a carbon fiber rear wing spoiler that offers an OEM fit with a truly aggressive track design. You will be pleased to find that this rear wing spoiler is ultra lightweight and extremely durable as well, providing you with a product that is up to 80% lighter than most factory produced parts. Since the function of a spoiler is essentially to disrupt the airflow passing over and around a moving vehicle, it's no surprise to find that they also reduce lift without adding any additional weight to the car. This can help keep the car on the ground and keep it more stable at higher speeds. It will help work to improve traction without negatively affecting performance. These are optimal aerodynamic devices that were designed to function within the automotive industry to literally spoil unfavorable air movement across the body of a vehicle in motion, which we know infamously as generating turbulence or drag. On an unmodified car, the airflow will come up the front, over the roof, as well as down the sides of a vehicle, heading chaotically towards the rear of the car. And as it does this, two things that you definitely do not want are created, both drag and lift. The lift pulls your wheels off the ground, and then the added drag starts to slow you down. The end result is a slower and less stable vehicle. Spoiler wings, however, will disrupt that airflow, and ultimately, they create downforce in two ways, by both slowing the airflow ahead as well as deflecting the air upward, which then increases the air pressure on the trunk lid. So reduce that drag coefficient, revamp your curb appeal, but don't bother to curb your enthusiasm. If you like what you see, stay tuned. Just hit that like button below and head on over to our channel here on YouTube to subscribe. If you're looking to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight on over to your inbox, make sure you head on over to sign up for our weekly newsletter as well, available online only at vicrez.com.